Federal grand jury, meanwhile, has charged the Wisconsin judge accused of helping an illegal migrant evade ICE. Jonathan Turley is a constitutional law professor and a Fox News contributor. Jonathan, a story we have and our viewers have followed closely. This is Kristi Noem reacting to the Wisconsin judge and the indictment of this person. Listen here.
I'm grateful that the judicial system recognized that she let down the court, let down the country, let down the authority that her position held, and that she will be held accountable for it.
Yeah, and she says she looks forward to her day of being vindicated in court. She's obviously believes that she is in the right here. How do you see it?
Well, she may, in fact, look forward to that day in court. This is a very liberal district, and the jury pool is likely to be sympathetic. And if all else fails, she could very well end up with a type of jury nullification if a couple of those jurors really just see this not as the actual crime, but as the cause. That has happened before. But, you know, she will move, as she has done, to dismiss these charges. I can't see any basis to do that. You can certainly disagree with her motivations, but that's not something that a judge can just assume without a trial. So my assumption is that the motion to dismiss today will be indeed turned down by the court.
I mean, what world are we in where we've got judges in America helping someone be able to, evade ICE? I mean, sneak this person out a back door of a courthouse. I just want to let you know, this came in just moments before the top of the hour. The Milwaukee County judge that we're talking about here, Dugan, has filed a motion to dismiss the federal case against her. I just want to make sure that you know as well, Jonathan, that that is official as of top of the hour.
Yeah, Sandra, I mean, I think the fact that you're confused is that you're joining most of America. This judge appears to have crossed that line. They stepped down from the bench, and that's a long, slippery slope. Once you get down from that bench and become part of a case like this, you become an alleged lawbreaker, and we're going to have to see how this all plays out. But I don't find anything redeeming in these facts for this judge. A grand jury just indicted her, even though Democrats and some of the media have declared her to be a hero for what she did.
This is really important. And again, this is brand new. So I want to make sure we work through this with you, Jonathan, because I know our viewers know this story well. So in this new filing submitted by Judge Dugan today, as of midday today, Dugan and her legal team argue, and I'm reading directly from it, quote, the government cannot prosecute Dugan because she is entitled to judicial immunity for her official acts, and that the government has no basis in law to prosecute her. Does she have a leg to stand on there?
I don't see how that dog will hunt, because she was acting not as a judge, in my view, when she took these steps. She went out into the hall, confronted these agents, told them to go see the chief judge, told them that they needed a warrant that they really didn't need. They were allowed to conduct that arrest in the hallway, which is what the chief judge told them. But while they were speaking to the chief judge, she then led this person out a side door and this person evaded federal agents. None of that strikes me as being within the scope of her judicial duties. If it does, then the question is, how far does that extend? Could she have hid the guy in her trunk of her car? Could she have driven him out of the courthouse? Could she have misdirected state officers? When exactly does she stop being a judge when she's helping someone evade federal authority?
She's got a high-profile defense team. We know that, Jonathan. It includes the U.S. Solicitor General Paul Clement, her attorneys also, and I'll finish off with this, arguing the government's prosecution of Dugan is virtually unprecedented and entirely unconstitutional, it reads. It violates the 10th Amendment and fundamental principles of federalism. This is just part of what we are learning at this moment and is something we'll watch closely. Jonathan, always appreciate your time and when you can join us. Thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.